Hi guys, welcome back to DMA Learning Point. Let's solve the next problem regarding your journal entries. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed the journal entries, right? So we are gonna do one more problem regarding that. So question number 5 is journalize the following transactions in the books of Dinesh. Okay, so as you know that every journal entry will start with business entry. Okay, so Dinesh started business with cash rupees 50,000. Okay, as you know the format will be right on the entry journal entries in heading journal entries in the books of Dinesh, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Okay, so first read out the transaction. 1st April 2019, Dinesh started business with cash for rupees 50,000. Okay, as I said you that the universal and the first entry right on the date 1st April 2019. First entry will be same in throughout your problem. Okay, so first entry cash account to capital account. Whenever you find business entry, as I said you that every problem of journal entry will start with business, so cash account to capital account, because whenever you start your business you have to get the cash. Okay, so cash account to capital account, so amount is 50,000. Okay, 50,000 will be debited and the next 50,000 will be credited. Under that you have to write the narration as well. Being started business with cash. Okay, so this entry will be very much easy for you in every exam, because every journal entry starts with business transaction. Now next thing is, I said you right, whenever you are getting cash, if you are getting cash, the cash will come up. Okay, but when you are losing cash or when you are purchasing or you are buying something, the cash will goes out. Okay, so cash to be written on the downside. Now see the second transaction, sale of goods for cash rupees 10,000. Okay, now you sold, so when you sold something you will get cash. Okay, so you are selling something, so the entry will be cash will come up, right? You are selling goods, cash account to sale account. Okay, remember one thing, sale will never come up. Okay, you have sold the goods. Okay, so sold means you are getting a cash account to sale account. The amount is 10,000. Here also 10,000 and here also 10,000. Narration, being sale of goods for cash. This is the second entry. Now see the next entry, purchase goods for cash. Third entry, purchase goods for cash rupees 15,000. Now you purchase means you are getting cash or losing cash. Obviously when you purchase something you have to give the cash, right? So you're losing the cash, so purchase account to cash account. Okay, so amount is rupees 15,000. 15 here and here also 15,000. Narration, being purchase of goods for cash. Okay, so the next transaction date is 4. The next transaction is sold plant and machinery for cash rupees 5,000. Okay, you sold the plant, right? So if you are selling the plants, now you sold, selling the plant means you are getting a cash, right? So what you have sold, you have sold the plant. So either you can write cash account to sale account, or you can write plant and machinery also. So here I can suggest you plant and machinery account to cash, sorry, to sale account. Okay, so the amount is rupees 5,000. 5,000 here and 5,000 here. Next transaction, cash paid to Rahim. Okay, now what you did, you have paid cash to Rahim. Okay, narration I'm not writing, guys, you can write it in your exam. Okay, cash paid to Rahim, so you have paid cash to Rahim, so you are losing the cash, but to whom you are paying cash? To Rahim, right? So Rahim account, what you are doing, what you are paying to Rahim? Cash, so Rahim account to cash account. Okay, the amount is 3,000. 3,000 here and 3,000 here. Okay, next transaction, we are going to move to the next transaction. Just see here, salaries paid. Okay, salaries paid, you are paying the salaries, right? Obviously when you pay salary the cash will go out, so salaries account to cash account. Okay, so the amount is 8,000. 8,000 here and 8,000 here. Then the narration will be being salaries paid. Okay, this will be the journal entries. Okay, it will come only for 2 marks, guys. Remember one thing, that the first entry will be universal entry. Okay, make sure that this entry is universal. It will be completely appearing for your exam. Okay, only four transactions will be coming for your exam, but for your practice purpose n number of transactions will be given. Suppose if rent is there, see if transactions come, rent paid rupees 2000. Okay, so what will be the entry? You are paying the rent. Okay, you are paying the rent, right? So what happens here? Rent account to cash account. So 2000 debit side and 2000 will be credit side. Now receive commission. Suppose the entry will be like this: receive commission. Now receive commission means you are getting cash. Okay, you are receiving some commission in the form of cash. So the entry will be cash account to commission account. Okay, like this. You can follow the transactions or more problems in your journal entries, but for your exam point of view, just practice these problems. Okay, see here, practice journal entries. Okay, journal entries from your textbook, problem number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, only these 5 problems are much important for your exam. Just practice these 5 problems from your textbooks. Okay, meet you soon, guys, with the next video.